चलो जी, रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो गया है। तो ईट स्लीप ड्रिंक क्रिकेट में स्वागत है। मिस्टर छिले हुए मुर्गा मिस्टर अभिजीत दास पटनायक का स्वागत है। और
हाँ,
फिर अब्रॉड से मिस्टर सूर्य नारायण भास्कर, वहां से
आ-
उनका स्वागत है। पीछे कोई आके डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, वो सह लेंगे थोड़ा। फिर
our
शायद
expert
उनको
from America.
अमेरिका अमेरिका उनको वैसे देखा है शायद मैंने।
हाँ।
वो अभी एडजस्ट मार रहे हैं। मुझे इतना बोला, वो खुद एडजस्ट नहीं मार पा रहे। चलो
हम्म।
एनीवेज, जोक्स अपार्ट, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग गाइस। एंड ये जोक्स इसलिए भी है क्योंकि कभी कभी ना खुशी इतना होता है। वन ऑफ दोज
हाँ,
रेयर टेस्ट मैचेस विच वी वन, एंड बहुत ज्यादा खुशी दिया। बिग विन, राइट? सो आई थिंक एजबास्टन टेस्ट वुड गो डाउन एज समथिंग जो न्यू इंडिया का एक एक जो स्टार्ट होना था, वो उस हिसाब से जैसे स्टार्ट हुआ। एंड देन आई थिंक इट वाज रियली वंडरफुल। मतलब जब शुभमन गिल ने वो कैच लपक लिया तो मतलब जो खुशी हुई, और आकाशदीप ने ऐसे हाथ बिल्कुल शाहरुख खान की तरह किया, तो बहुत मजा आया यार। आई रियली फेल्ट वंडरफुल। इनफैक्ट मैंने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स में सबको इतना बड़ा बड़ा ये किया। गुड। सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद बोथ ऑफ यू। तो जितना मैं बोला हूँ उतना टाइम आप लोगों को नहीं दे सकता मैं, तो ओपनिंग कमेंट्स दें, अपनी अपना खुशी जाहिर करें। एक व्हाट इज योर सेंटिमेंट्स, व्हाट इज योर ओपनिंग कमेंट्स, व्हाट इज योर इमोशन, बताएं। तो पहला, भास्कर, सिंस आप अमेरिका में हैं तो हम आपको वो इज्जत पहले देंगे कि आप पहले बताएं।
देखिए, this has been a sensational win. I think number one, I think Shubman Gill, the way he has played, though I think India has been a better team both test matches. वो फिफ्थ डे के अलावा अगर आप देखोगे तो दोनों टेस्ट मैच इंडिया हैज बीन द बेटर टीम एंड शुभमन गिल हैज लेड फ्रॉम द फ्रंट। ऐसा कोई कैप्टन करता है तो इट्स लाइक रियली क्रेडिटेबल बिकॉज कैप्टनसी इज अ मेजर प्रेशर। बहुत लोगों को तो एकदम नीचे ही गिरा देता है वो। अच्छे प्लेयर रहते हैं और वो इतना स्ट्रगल करते हैं कि कैप्टनसी की वजह से उनका बैटिंग खराब हो जाता है। बट दिस इज लाइक अनबिलीवेबल। जो रिकी पॉन्टिंग जैसे कैप्टनसी लेकर ही स्टार्ट स्कोरिंग हंड्रेड्स, this is looking that way. I think so. The way Shubman Gill has led, the way he has batted, whatever we say, flat track or whatever, scoring hundreds in England is not easy, and scoring 269 is sensational, I would say. So I think Shubman Gill, and then the way he handled the attack, Siraj and Akashdeep. I've always been thinking Akashdeep should have been given more Test matches, even in Australia. He's been India's, I think, third or fourth place bowler. So I think this is
आएंगे सर,
brilliant.
आएंगे, सब पे पूरा डिस्कशन होगा उस
ठीक
पर।
है। तो आई थिंक it's a great moment. I think from here on we should just do better in the rest of the series. I feel hopefully.
ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट। अभिजीत कहाँ चले गए? वो शायद आपको मैचअप करने के लिए अपना वॉलपेपर सब चेंज करके कहाँ तो भी गायब हो गए वो। पता नहीं कहाँ पे हैं। आ गए क्या अभिजीत,
Yeah.
आप हैं?
मैं तो
दिख रहा है?
हूँ लेकिन मैं समझ नहीं पाया कि क्या हो गया। अभी मैं दिख रहा हूँ?
नहीं,
नहीं।
नहीं दिख रहे। अच्छा
ओके,
खासा
लेट
दिख रहे
भास्कर
थे
कंटिन्यू।
आप
आई विल
अब।
सॉर्ट दिस आउट। आई विल सॉर्ट दिस आउट। जस्ट लेट भास्कर कंटिन्यू।
ओके, तो फिर आई
नहीं
थिंक
नहीं
आई थिंक भास्कर, आप फिर एक काम करें। अरे आ गए
नहीं राज।
अभिजीत, प्रकट प्रकट हो गए।
या या
प्रकट हो गए तो भास्कर को बात करने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा ज्यादा। तो अभिजीत आप ही बात करेंगे। सो योर ओपनिंग कमेंट्स, योर इट्स ओपनिंग कमेंट्स। तो आप दें, अपना इमोशन प्रकट करें।
Yeah, so it is in a way it was a comeback of sorts, and in even for us, क्योंकि हमारा जो last podcast था मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था after the defeat, because there were negative comments all around, so that criticism will come later. But the way the team punched above its weight, in fact in terms of unexpected wins, हमारे unexpected test wins जो है, this will definitely count very high up there, including Headingley 2002, of course Gabba series, actually Melbourne and Gabba both were totally unexpected wins. Headingley 2002, and so definitely it will feature in our top 5 most unexpected wins, man. And credit to the entire lineup, credit to everything, to the selection, to as everybody kept criticizing the team till the second day. I heard commentators say, "Oh, this is a very defensive selection." Boss, we won, and we won handsomely, and we had the selection which took care of all emergencies. So yeah, I have no reason to complain. And even after the first test, I kept saying there's nothing wrong with our bowling attack. We created 24 dismissals, and if not for the rubbish catching, it was actually one of the worst test matches in catching. India dropped 7 catches. No team in England has dropped 7 catches till date. If not for that, we would have won that test in 4 days. It should have been 0-2 by now. So we backed the team, and I'm so happy that the team has punched above its weight. And I like Shubman Gill's body language. Shubman Gill, before this test match and after this test match, has said this is the best Indian team to play in England. Now, forget the demerits, the merits or demerits of the statement. Imagine his own confidence. He must be telling this 100 times inside the dressing room. Boss, we are the best team to have come to England. So I think that has rubbed on, and absolutely kudos to the entire team. Rajiv.
Great, great. So, ma'am, so my thing is that I have always said that overseas wins जो होता है ना, वो आज भी हम बात करते रहते हैं. Home test wins at some point of time, maybe the Eden Gardens, which in 2001 when Lakshman won it for us, those few matches we can remember. But away test एक एक win हमें याद रहता है. आपने हेडिंगली का बात किया, एडलेड एक विन था जो द्रविड़ ने जिताया. These things never go out of mind, and that's why away tests are so it's very sweet in their wins. So पहला अभिजीत मैं आपके पास आता हूँ. So I'll start with the very what happened is that there was a selection which happened. ठीक है, वो selection सही गलत जो भी था, एक selection हुआ and जरूरत से ज्यादा criticism हुआ. जहां तक मुझे बस एक लग रहा था कि बुमराह तो बैठेंगे ही बैठेंगे क्योंकि वो डिक्लेयर हो चुके थे. एंड सेकंड ये था कि कुलदीप को लेंगे कि नहीं लेंगे करके. सो देयर वाज दिस थिंग. बट अर्शदीप बुमराह क्यों नहीं खेला? इवन रवि शास्त्री सेड इफ ही वाज फिट व्हाई डिडंट ही प्ले? लॉर्ड्स खेलने की क्या जरूरत है? मतलब there's a line of people who said everything, and nothing against anybody because everybody has their own thought process. Everybody wants Indian cricket to do well. So I think the discussion points were okay. But then बहुत ज्यादा क्रिटिसिज्म हुआ टिल ऑलमोस्ट मतलब जैसे फोर्थ डे पे आपका जाके मतलब डिक्लेरेशन लेट हो रहा है. सो इट वाज ऑल थ्रू टिल दैट शुभमन गिल डिड नॉट टेक दैट कैच. एंड अच्छा हुआ बिकॉज आई टेल यू व्हाट, टी के बाद बारिश हुआ वहां पे. एक दो घंटे के अंदर बारिश स्टार्ट हो गया वहां पे. सो अगर थोड़ा मैच खिंच जाता और इंडिया इंग्लैंड वुड हैव बीन 8 विकेट्स डाउन और समथिंग लाइक दैट, इंडिया मतलब ये आज कुछ और ही बात हो रहा होता, राइट? सो
True,
आई
true.
एम जस्ट इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट सिलेक्शन थिंग. डू यू थिंक इट वाज राइट और was just India just lucky to put that pressure and get it done?
Well, ultimately we won. जब हम हारते हैं आप उस सिलेक्शन को गाली देते हो, आप कहते हो हमारा बॉलिंग अटैक बेकार है, हमारा बैटिंग बेकार है, सब कुछ. जब हम हारते हैं तो यही बोला जाता है. तब कोई नहीं बोलता है लाइक नोबडी सेड आफ्टर द फर्स्ट टेस्ट कि बॉस द सिलेक्शन वाज गुड, वी लॉस्ट टू अ बेटर टीम. नोबडी सेड. एवरीबॉडी सेड सिलेक्शन बेकार है. एंड मोस्ट सबसे बड़ा क्रिटिसिज्म आ गया था हमारे पास बॉलिंग अटैक नहीं. एंड यू सेड इट्स ओके टू क्रिटिसाइज. नो, आई डोंट थिंक इट्स ओके टू क्रिटिसाइज, बिकॉज do you see England commentators criticize their team as much when they are playing at home and through baseball? No, they constantly keep hyping. So I'm not saying you build false promises, but don't tell lies. For example, Gavaskar had said at the end of the fifth day of the previous test, he said, looking at this bowling attack, aside Bumrah, none of them are capable of taking 5 wickets, which I thought was an utter Bullock statement, and he shouldn't have said that. And, जब एक ऐसा स्टार कमेंटेटर ऐसा वर्ड बोलता है, रवि शास्त्री कुछ ऐसा बोलता है, इमीडिएटली इंडिया में ना पूरा वो प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है, सब ट्रॉल करने लग जाते हैं. आई रिमेम्बर प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा के लेके बहुत ट्रॉल्स आने लग गया था. यशस्वी जायसवाल लेके ट्रॉप्स आने लग गया था कि बस वो तो ओला कैब ड्राइवर है, वो सिर्फ ड्रॉप करता है एंड ऑल दैट. बट दैट्स नॉट नीडेड, एंड दैट्स प्रिसाइसली what where I felt our podcast previously was different is that you need to be matured. There's an opposition team. The opposition team has come to play. In sports, unlike in studies, where in studies everybody can get 100 out of 100, in sports एक टीम हारेगी एक टीम जीतेगी. I mean, that is the way it is designed. So no, I don't think the criticism was in place. As for the selection, who am I to say the selection was right, wrong, this, that? They selected something and now I feel it was the perfect selection in hindsight. भाई आप भी तो क्रिटिसाइज हाइंडसाइट में कर रहे हो ना. जब हम लीड्स हार गए, हाइंडसाइट आपने क्रिटिसाइज किया. अभी मैं हाइंडसाइट में कह रहा हूँ सिलेक्शन परफेक्ट था बिकॉज फर्स्ट innings we were 211 for 5 and everybody said Jadeja is ineffective. Everybody said Sundar का तो कोई बात ही नहीं हुआ था कि सुंदर को आना चाहिए टीम में. But Jadeja and Sundar together got around 130 runs and because of them Gill would have made another 150 200 runs. वहां से 250 रन आ रहा है. अगर जडेजा और सुंदर नहीं होता उसके बाद कोई और, हम कुलदीप को खिलाते और अर्शदीप को खिलाते, आई डोंट नो किसको भी खिलाते, we would have missed those 250 300 and no way would have we have won that test. So ultimately the selection proved right. At 211 for 5 we had backup to score 587. So no complaints about the selection. I think it was fine. In fact, if you remember, we discussed last time, we said कि शायद एक चेंज से ज्यादा नहीं होगा. हमने कहा था या तो सेम टीम खेलेगा या ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक चेंज होगा. We had discussed this, concluded amongst ourselves. Rajiv.
Yeah, I think selection was a bold selection. In fact, हम defensive कहते हैं. But what really happened was, I think my own perspective with the selection was kept in mind saying that you don't want to get to 450, you have to get 550. That was the first thing which they thought has to happen, and they saw the wicket. They said that the pacers will be the ones who will take the wickets. Spinners will not come into play, and it proved right because 17 wickets was taken by pacers. So उस हिसाब से देखा जाए तो it was a correct decision. So they read the wicket properly, and then it was a good toss to lose also, right? Now I'll come to भास्कर. आपके पास आता हूँ. आपने शुभमन गिल का बात immediately start किया, मतलब so I think you are the right person to talk about Shubman Gill. What kind of, how has he emerged as a player, and how do you think he's going to take this Indian team? मतलब आप शुभमन गिल के बारे में बताएं, मतलब what do you think is the whole point here?
Absolutely remarkable. See, his overseas record was not good. And of course, and he was genuinely criticized for not having a great overseas record. But the way he has taken to captaincy is almost like duck to water. Whatever the pitch be, scoring runs, scoring double hundreds is not an easy thing. Any pitch, forget about a difficult pitch or overseas conditions. Even on a flat wicket in say Feroz Kotla, it's not easy to score double hundred. You need that perseverance to score a double hundred. So I think 300s in just four innings is just remarkable. And as a captain, when the captain does it, the others do feel that they also need to contribute. When the captain is failing, then others you see what happens when the captain like really does not contribute, and the others the, he can't see others in the eye. So I think this is a remarkable, absolutely remarkable what Shubman Gill has done. He had the ability. We always knew that the way he scored that 19 Brisbane. It's just that he was playing too many loose shots. He has the game. He used to play loose shots, and I think he's cut down on those. This is really it charged him up. So I think I see him going a long way as a captain. Hopefully they'll stick with him, whatever the result of the series is. The series is not yet done. We still have three more tests to go, and anything can happen. So we don't really need to uh, over criticize or over hype up the team. Let them do what they are doing. I think they have come back very well. If you see, Indian Test cricket has not been doing too badly. Even in Australia, we played very well. 3-1 was not a bad result. It could have been 2-2, except for that disaster of a series against New Zealand, which was a shocker. I think that's something which will keep pinching us for the next 10 years. But I'm sure I wish they had taken this kind of a call after the New Zealand series and maybe made uh, Gill the captain at that time or somebody else the captain. So I think it's been remarkable. Just hopefully he'll stay grounded and just score more and more runs. All the best to him for this series and maybe at least for the whole WTC season, this whole WTC cycle, he has to be the captain. Come what may, whatever comes in the way. India might lose a series, India might win a series, but he has to remain as captain for 2 to 3 years for us to really see the results. Rajiv.
1K runs बनाएगा, 1000 बनाएगा.
You
हाँ,
never
बना
know.
सकता है क्यों नहीं बना सकता है you have to go for it you have to expect he is going to go past Rahul Dravid for sure as
Yeah,
India's highest run getter in an England series so 1K is like quite far away but I think 800 is still possible
800, 900. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, but 1K would be special. मतलब फिर
yeah
वो एक एक
yeah
मतलब वो एक मतलब रिकॉर्ड बुक्स में आ जाएगा, मतलब एक तरीके
Hmm,
से आ जाएगा जो आई थिंक
absolutely
है ना. आई didn't want to get out of, I mean, मैं भटकना नहीं चाहता था, बट एक छोटा सा चीज कहना चाहता था कि ये मोल्डर की बात हुई थी, हमारे साउथ अफ्रीका का
Mhm.
जो स्टैंड इन कैप्टन था. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड इज ही बेसिकली 367 में उसने ही जस्ट अनाउंस्ड, he declared and said कि there are records to be done, and I'll just I'll declare the innings because there are legends like Brian Lara who kept it करके. अब आप लेजेंड्स की बात करते हैं तो फिर आपने फिर इसका क्यों, सोबर्स का क्यों रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा यार? अपने ही देशवासी हसी मामला 311 पे था, उसका रिकॉर्ड क्यों तोड़ा? सी आई थिंक my own take is that he lost a great opportunity. It's not about Mulder. What happened is that a South African had an opportunity to be at the top. Somebody 10 years down the line will never say what kind of sacrifice Mulder did, but somebody will say the highest test score belongs to a South African. So I think he lost an opportunity, but at the end of the day, it is his own choice. हम कौन होते हैं बोलने वाले, but yeah, I really felt if I was a South African spectator in the ground, I would have felt extremely let down. बट आई सेड यार ये मेरे देश का हो सकता था, मतलब तो एनीवेज
तो
दैट्स हाउ थिंग्स गो। ये उसकी मर्जी थी, तो ठीक है जो भी है। अभिजीत आपके पास आता हूँ। यार देखो, बॉलिंग के बारे में ना काफी, इंडिया के बॉलिंग के बारे में काफी क्रिटिसिज्म हुआ, स्पेशली सेकंड इनिंग्स में, लीड्स में। बट नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड इज, यू सडनली गेट आकाशदीप। ये आकाशदीप भी नहीं, अर्शदीप को खिलाना चाहिए करके बोल रहे थे, आकाशदीप को भी लेके आओ लेकिन सिराज की जगह लेके आओ करके। Now, one thing people fail to understand is कि Siraj has always punched above his weight, even in Australia also. But I think he was just not getting the line and length proper. Leeds में भी वही हुआ था उसका, वो line and length ठीक नहीं पड़ रहा था उसका। But यहाँ पे correct पड़ा, and that 9 overs from England was what 400 odd for 5, and suddenly 9 overs में 10-15 रन में खत्म हो गया, मतलब they just closed it off, and one what we thought that England will get to that 570 suddenly became a 150 run lead, which eventually helped. So what do you think about Indian bowling, and what are the big advantages you think we got, and do you think that people misjudge these bowlers, including Prasidh
yeah, so
Krishna? आप बताएं।
yeah. So, all along I have been saying, including to us, either in the chat and everywhere, our bowling attack is good. In fact, I have always maintained our bowling attack is better than the English attack. I find the English attack very lame. Josh Tongue has got wickets, but he's only got, his majority of his wickets are of the Indian tail. And if you see, Prasidh jitna gali khata hai, but Prasidh has got same wickets as Braden Cars. Braden Cars is the lead pacer, by the way. Prasidh has got same wickets as Cars. Prasidh has got more wickets than Chris Wokes. So clearly our bowling attack, and series is 1-1. It's 1-1. We are talking kitne achhe bowlers hai. We definitely have the better bowling attack. There is absolutely no question about it. But again, the criticism jo ye ex commentators, ex players turned commentators jo karte hain, you are right. Everybody criticized Siraj ki Siraj should be dropped. Everybody said Arshdeep should win. किसी ने नहीं बोला था कि Akashdeep should win. But actually Siraj और Akashdeep, they actually blasted past England. Now, you need to realize Siraj and Prasidh Krishna a month ago were playing in IPL. They were, I think, amongst the top 5 wicket takers in IPL, if I'm not wrong. Top 5 or top 6 wicket takers in IPL. उनका IPL का line and length वो 2 महीने से बॉल कर रहे थे. Now they have come to England. You need to give them some time to adjust. I'm speaking specifically of Siraj and Prasidh because they played almost till the end of the IPL, but till the eliminator stage they were there. Now, we know Indian teams keep getting better as overseas series goes on. So उतना हमें ना थोड़ा देना चाहिए कि बॉस ये फर्स्ट टेस्ट है. What was expectation from this team? Expectation was 4-1 से 5-0. Ian Morgan said 5-0, David Lloyd said 5-0. बहुत लोगों ने 4-1 4-1 बोला. अभी भी हो सकता है, but ऐसा बोला. वहां से we took the first test to the last possible session of the day. That itself was creditable compared to what it was. Second test जो भी selection हो, honestly, अगर हम 1-0 पे बैठे होते going to Lords, we would have all been very happy कि चलो हमने इस टेस्ट को ड्रॉ करा दिया, डिफेंसिव सिलेक्शन किया, ड्रॉ करा दिया, 1-0 and Lords is fine. We would have been fine, but the team has punched above it. It's 1-0. So I have no complaints about the bowling attack. It's a fact Jadeja on these tracks is ineffective. There's a fact that Sundar on these tracks is also not very effective. But then, these are tracks where centuries are being scored like nobody's business. Pehla match, if I'm not wrong, 7 or 8 centuries were scored. This match, maybe there were, double hundreds and centuries being scored. So whatever the bowlers are doing, I think it's a great job. And I don't know what will come of Lords. Lords का अगर WTC final वाला pitch आता है, then I think England are going to have a real tough time because clearly our pace attack is better than theirs.
We will come to that. We'll come to Lords in a minute. ऑल्सो मुझे ये भी लगता है कि ये जो बॉलिंग का एक और चीज जो है ना, जैसे प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा को बहुत मार पड़ी करके, बट एक्चुअली वो शॉर्ट बॉल के लिए इट वाज अ प्लान, अनफॉर्चुनेटली
Was a
डिड
plan.
नॉट वर्क, एंड जैमी स्मिथ जस्ट गॉट इनटू हिम कुछ भी। इनफैक्ट वो इतना, जैमी स्मिथ वाज सो मच इनटू, मतलब उसका क्या कहते हैं, जो द वे ही वाज बैटिंग, राइट, सेकंड इनिंग्स तक वो चला गया, मतलब ही वाज रियली इन अ जोन. सो कांट ब्लेम प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा. He will get dropped, I think. We will come to that. But ठीक है, जो भी है, we should not criticize a person so much also.
Rajiv, one
And
more thing. One more thing, if you see in this match, I mean, Gill has criticized the ball and the pitch. Ki boss, a ball does nothing after 20, 25 overs. Pitch does nothing after 25, 20. It's taking out essence of of Test cricket. Now, people have forgotten. Now, here the ex-commentators come in. Sorry, the commentators come in who never criticize England. Why did England bring the ropes by around 2 to 3 meters? Roughly 2 meters they brought the ropes in. Now, if you see, they brought the ropes in because one, they knew of the short ball thing. Second, they knew of the spinner threat. तो आपने भी स्लाइली किया ना, आपको आप यू प्रोक्लेम टू बी द गार्जियन ऑफ टेस्ट क्रिकेट, बट देन यू आर ब्रिंगिंग, इफ यू सी द मैच सेकंड टेस्ट, इट लुक्स लाइक इन अ T20 मैच टाइप का ग्राउंड में हो। पुट ऑल दोस रोप्स बिहाइंड। मैं देखता हूँ प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा को कैसा, कितना प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा को सिक्स पड़ता है और कितना वो विकेट लेता है। राजीव।
या दैट्स अ गुड पॉइंट, दैट्स अ रियली गुड पॉइंट। सही बोला आपने। ओके, चलो थोड़ा और इंग्लैंड की खिंचाई थोड़ा और कंटिन्यू करते हैं। भास्कर, मैं आपके पास आता हूँ। अगर ये बात मैंने अभिजीत को दिया होता तो मतलब पूरे ही रोस्ट कर देते इंग्लैंड को, तो आई डेंट वांट टू गिव हिम दैट स्पेस। थोड़ा न्यूट्रलिटी लेके आने के लिए मैं आपको लेके आ रहा हूँ कि व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग फॉर इंग्लैंड, डिड दे मतलब टॉस से तो, जो टॉस से गलती स्टार्ट हुआ, एंड एक्सेप्ट दैट वन सेशन वेयर ब्रूक एंड स्मिथ स्टक इनटू दैट इंडियन बॉलर्स, एवरीथिंग वेंट साउथ ओनली फॉर इंग्लैंड, राइट? सो आप क्या
See, once
सोचते हैं?
नहीं नहीं, एक बार once the target is out of reach, England don't know what to do. That's the thing we know. उनको जब 350 का टारगेट मिलता है, they think they can attack and get to that total. Then they are comfortable. Once they have a target of 600 and they have to play for a draw, then they are not in a space and they don't have the kind of players to play out for a draw. ये ट्रैक में तो easily draw होना चाहिए था. So that's what I'm saying. Like even the last test, we gave them the chance to go for the victory. If we had made sure that they're not able to go for the victory by curtailing their run rate, they would have again struggled. I feel. So I think that's where the England batsmen are not, except for Joe Root, they don't have that good a technique to really survive long stretches of periods without scoring runs. And Joe Root and to a certain extent Harry Brook are like two world-class players. But for that, I don't think even Ben Stokes, for me, is not a top quality player. He doesn't even average 40 in Test cricket. So I think that's where England's batting is slightly weak. Bowling, yeah, East tracks where I think we really stuck into their bowling. So I don't see too much of issues there because they don't have a world-class bowling attack. They don't have any world-class bowler anymore. So वो तो उनका पेपर पे ही उनको we know that. So on a flat wicket, I think if you just bat them out of the test match, I think they're going to struggle. Their batting is not as good as it looks, as it's claimed to be after scoring 350. Rajiv.
या जैक क्रॉली इज लाइक अ वॉकिंग डक मैन। वो तो बस विकेट देने के लिए आता है, वो ऐसा लगता है। एंड वन डकेट फॉर दैट वन वन इनिंग्स व्हिच ही प्लेड रियली वेरी वेल, एंड नो डाउट अबाउट इट। बट अदरवाइज दे हैव सॉर्टेड हिम आउट, दे नो वेयर टू बॉल टू हिम। And see, yesterday I was with a guest, and I don't want to name him because I want to put it on the social media. Or maybe I can name him. I mean, I was with Mr. Shishir Hatangadi. He spoke very well. He said that these English players don't know except anything except baseball. सो आई थिंक वो ही वॉज वेरी राइट कि सेड कि अब वो इतना आदत हो चुका है कि अब इनको पता ही नहीं कि दूसरे तरीके से कैसा खेलना है। एंड दैट्स व्हाई गिल मेड श्योर कि वो 600 बनाए, ताकि उनको मतलब खाया उनको पता ही ना रहे। एंड दैट 600 ensured the win is there. If it was 500 or something, then they had a different way of looking at things. So yeah, I think it was because the time was very important. गिल न्यू कि अगर वो 60-70 ओवर्स ही चाहिए इंग्लैंड को निकालने के लिए, या मैक्सिमम 80 ओवर्स, उससे ऊपर रहेगा तो फिर देन डजंट मैटर, वो या तो ड्रॉ के लिए जाएगा या फिर इट में जस्ट इट वोंट वर्क आउट फॉर इंडिया करके। सो आई थिंक ही रेड इट वेरी वेरी वेल। नाउ I'll come to the Lord's test. Now that's the most important thing. We have won the test, very good, great thing. But you both of you mentioned कि भाई सीरीज तो वन ऑल ही है, मतलब इतना खुशी मना के भी 3 टेस्ट तो निकालना है ना, अभी और भी है। तो आई डोंट वांट टू सी फार अहेड, मतलब पहले तो लॉर्ड्स की टेस्ट की बात करते हैं। सो अभिजीत, मैं आपसे स्टार्ट करता हूँ। हाउ डू यू थिंक द सिलेक्शन इज गोइंग टू हैपन, एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स व्हिच इंडिया शुड स्टिल बेयर इन माइंड, which you think India should do, and what do you think England can do just to come back, because I think they are a bit down.
Yeah, so actually 211 for 5 in day one, England were on top, let's face it. And it was, everywhere it is mentioned that Shubman Gill is the highest, second highest net score after Graham Gooch and all that. And this is where I feel media fails, the Indian media fails. Indian media should have projected it is that Shubman Gill has scored the highest net score in a test away from home. Nobody has scored more than him away from. Graham Gooch ने घर पे किया था, दोनों में बहुत फर्क होता है घर पे और अवे में करने में। तो they ran into the Shubman Gill wall, and honestly, that's one of the best innings away from home I've seen from a player, I've seen from a captain. As Bhaskar said, he was not giving any chance. He just sourced. बॉस उसने 430 रन बनाए, मुझे एक भी कैच ड्रॉप एलबीडब्ल्यू याद नहीं आ रहा जो क्लोज था। एक भी याद नहीं आ रही. इट वाज अ चांसलेस फॉर 30 रन जो उसने बना, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जो एक डिसमिसल जो उसका हुआ है. सो they ran into Shubman Gill, and once they ran into Shubman Gill, they were out of ideas. In fact, Ben Stokes stopped bowling. एक बार गिल जडेजा का पार्टनरशिप हुआ तो बेन स्टोक्स ने बॉलिंग ही नहीं किया है फर्स्ट इनिंग्स ऑफ दैट टेस्ट. आई थिंक बेन स्टोक्स हैज अ फिटनेस इशू. ओके, सो एंड a lot depends on the pitch which they want. Now they will be confused with, do we get a flat wicket, play out draws and all, but then all the Indian batsmen get, and we know Indian batting keeps getting better overseas as the test match has gone. Or do we go for a lottery? Lottery is a, you know, the Lord's WTC final type का जो विकेट होता है, दोनों टीम के पेस बॉलर्स को विकेट मिलेगा, देखेगा जिसका हुआ हुआ, नहीं हुआ. That those matches are like a lottery. From the Indian, so I don't really know what England are going to do. Are they going to play Jofra Archer? Jofra Archer always looks like an unfit guy to me. Stokes definitely is unfit. There is no doubt on that. And he hardly bowled in this test. And Bhaskar has already pointed his average isn't great as the hype he gets. Um, I don't understand how he goes around India ekdam bossing the test match and he's just laughing around, joking around like cool dude. I have things in control. If was Indian koi captain karta na, Indian commentators would have got behind him like anything. So, but coming to the Indian selection, I have this feeling that Gambhir tends to go for fresh players. I have a strong feeling Siraj will be rested. Siraj was underbowled on the last day. Either he was underbowled to preserve him for Lords, or I won't be surprised if he's going to be rested. Top seven, I don't see changing. I mean, Karun Nair has been the worst batsman in the series. He has lesser averages than Braden Cars and Chris Wokes also, but I don't think it's right to drop him now and get a Sai Sudarshan again, coming one down and facing on a tricky pitch. So Karun Nair will continue. I think the top seven will continue. Nitish Reddy didn't score runs, but Nitish Reddy in a Lord's tricky pitch will still be handful with the ball. And it's a flat pitch. I expect Reddy to score. He's a fighter. The bowling attack is a bit of a confusion. I won't be surprised if any of them. Bumrah is definitely in. Akashdeep is definitely in. Baki, I think between Shiraj, Prasidh, Kuldeep and Sundar में से कोई दो खेलेगा. Minimum 3 paces तो खेलेगा ही Lords. Minimum, if not 4. But I think it's open. I think Gambhir will drop a wild. He will throw out a wild card on the day of the selection. Gambhir and Gill. Rajiv.
Interesting. Bhaskar, I'll take your point and then I'll say what I have. आप बताएं. आपके पीछे काफी कुछ चल रहा है तो आप जरा.
So I think team most likely see Bumrah is going to come back. उसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. And the way it's a Lord's Test match, I don't think Siraj is going to be rested because he has taken six wickets all right now. So most likely Bumrah will come in for Prasidh Krishna. And on a Lord's wicket, if it's going to be slightly green, Nitish Reddy is going to play. So I think it's going to be the same team. Most likely it's going to be the same team. If the pitch is like the regular Lord's wicket. Rajiv. Only one change. That's Bumrah coming in for Prasidh. I don't see any other changes.
इंग्लैंड के लिए कुछ देख रहे हैं आप?
England के लिए I don't think England. I don't. To be honest, I don't know what they have to be doing here. They don't have a world class spinner coming in, so I think that if they have one, they can. But for that, I don't see any much of a different change either. Mahandeep.
Yeah, yeah. No, yesterday again. I mean, I'm bringing back the discussion with one of the greats of Mumbai cricket, Shishir Hatangadi. He was saying that why Sai Sudarshan was dropped after first test and they gave Karun Nair the chance is because they think that the delivery of his point was that the delivery of a test cricket depends on delivery, and Karun Nair is more suited to deliver than the optics of picking somebody and starting and making his career and all those stuff. It doesn't suit well. So I think Gambhir took the right call there. So मुझे लगता है करुण नायर थर्ड टेस्ट खेलेगा करके. If he fails there, then obviously there are question marks. The other thing is why to change a winning combination. Just बुमराह को प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा के जगह पे लेके आओ करके. इनफैक्ट ही मेंशन दैट अगर तीन पेसर लॉर्ड्स में काम नहीं कर पाया तो दो स्पिनर कौन सा काम कर देगा. तीन स्पिनर जो काम तीन पेसर नहीं कर पाएगा वो दो स्पिनर क्या कर पाएगा, और जो दो स्पिनर नहीं कर पाएगा वो तीसरा स्पिनर ऐड करके तुम कौन सा निकाल लेगा करके. सो वंडरफुली पुट इट. आई मीन इट्स लाइक गुड थॉट प्रोसेस. बट अल्टीमेटली आई थिंक अभिजीत हैज अ पॉइंट कि गंभीर को थोड़ा सा वाइल्ड कार्ड छोड़ने का बड़ा ये है. बट इट वुड बी हार्ड ऑन नितिश रेड्डी टू गेट ड्रॉप्ड यार. मतलब मुझे पता नहीं. नाउ अगेन the 7 batter 8 batter थोड़ा बहुत जम गया है तो they want that lower order runs. So it totally depends on how they read the wicket and all. But Lords में India ने खेला है काफी, so they would know what it is. As far as England, I think the news is very clear. Jofra Archer is definitely playing, and Atkinson probably will play. But the problem is both are injury candidates. In fact, the last Test match with this fellow Archer has played is almost 2 years ago. So ऐसा हो मतलब द प्रॉब्लम इंग्लैंड कैन फेस इज कि भाई साहब ने 2 स्पेल किया और जैसे जहीर खान वॉक ऑफ कर गया था ना, याद है आपको 2011 में, ऐसा कुछ हो गया तो फिर इंग्लैंड मे बी इन रियल रियल ट्रबल. एंड यू आर राइट अभिजीत की स्टोक्स इज नॉट इन दैट काइंड ऑफ फिटनेस टू डू द काइंड ऑफ बॉलिंग. इनफैक्ट ही इज द बेस्ट बॉलर फॉर इंग्लैंड एज ऑफ नाउ. So it is a problem for so in fact I think there is one thing which they can do ki they can leave some grass because they don't need to bowl so many overs. Their mediocre bowling attack will become better in case the pitch is handful for the bowlers. But then that also means that they also have to bat with the kind of baseball which is happening. Akashdeep may really run through them, and I'm saying this because the way he is swinging from the cracks is world class. We have some time, so we have around 5 minutes. So maybe we can talk. It was not part of the agenda, but maybe we can just speak a bit about Akashdeep, the way he has come out and bowled. Abhijit, मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ कि what do you think about Akashdeep's performance? I mean, don't you think it was one of the best spells by an Indian pacer overseas?
Yeah, I mean, we discussed the other day on the phone that the ball which I remember the most is one जो उसने रूट के नी पे एकदम the ball jags in and hits Root's knee, and sorry, not Root, Brooks knee, and I wish that Brook got an injury on the knee. He'll be unfit for rest of the 3 tests because that would give that दिल को ठंडक कि बस हमारे पेस बॉलर ने वहां जाके उनको ऐसा बॉल जैग इन करवाया कि इंजर्ड हो गया 3 टेस्ट के लिए उनका बेस्ट बैट्समैन. ब्रूक इज करंटली देयर बैट्समैन. ऑफ कोर्स द रूट को भी जो उसने जो बोल्ड किया इट वाज टेरिफिक, बट देन देयर हैव बीन टू मेनी this test years down will be remembered as a Shubman Gill test, so the bowlers will get overshadowed, which is of course unfair. I do agree with Bhaskar that Akashdeep should have got much more tests than what he got. Maybe इस गंभीर के wild card के चक्कर में Akashdeep didn't get as much tests in Australia which he should have got. But I'm so happy he grabbed the chance with both. And me and you recalled when he played a test in Ranchi versus England and how he had rattled them. And it was great to see. And obviously, all of us, he's become the toast of the nation. Suddenly, he's come up. He's spoken about his sister. He's on a different level now. That his sister is battling cancer. And today I read in TOI about his history. He has a history, personal tragedies where most players would have given up their career and gone. He lost his brother and father around 10 years ago. He lost, I think, sister or sister-in-law, a couple of people there around 2000, around COVID time. So he's had 4 or 5 tragedies in the last 10 years. And then now recently, sister is battling cancer. But so, typically these cases, and you come from a place called Sasaram in Bihar. And thank you, Saurav Ganguly, for breaking the trend and getting people from interiors to come. And thank you, IPL. IPL also is this. So I'm very happy for Akashdeep. As I keep mentioning, our pace attack is top notch. It's nothing compared to England. When you say that Archer and Atkinson may come back, imagine इन योर होम सीरीज आप अपने प्राइम आप जो 2 बॉलर पहला 2 टेस्ट खेलो उनको आप रिप्लेस कर रहे हो. दिस इज सेम एज बॉस हमें कोई बॉलर को ड्रॉप करके सुंदर को खिलाना पड़ेगा वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड. इट मींस यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग. इट्स अ क्लियर साइन दैट यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग. दैट्स व्हाई यू आर लुकिंग एट योर रिजर्व्स. Let's not forget on our bowling reserves, we have Harshit Rana sitting in India. Harshit Rana, I think, will qualify to play for the English team also if he was available for them. Rajiv hai.
By the way, हर्षित राणा को नहीं खेला, वो आ गया है वापस.
I
उसको
know,
फर्स्ट टेस्ट
he's back in India.
या फर्स्ट टेस्ट के निकल की वजह से है, वो वापस आ गया है. सो भास्कर, बॉलिंग, आकाशदीप, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू से?
See, I've always been very, very impressed by Akashdeep. He swings the ball both ways. So the moment he played his first test, I thought we found out like third or fourth pacer. So when he sat out Australia in Australian conditions, I was quite surprised. So I think Akashdeep is going to be should play every test match along with Bumrah and Siraj. So I think if at all somebody has to be dropped, it has to be Prasidh Krishna for the moment because of the way Akashdeep is bowled, not because Prasidh Krishna deserves to be dropped. See, on especially on flat wickets where players are going to the team is going to get 500, 400, you need Siraj, because that's where Arshdeep could be a bit risky because he's not used to bowling long spells. So Siraj, though he has not been bowling as well as he used to a couple of years back, on tracks where they're like 400, at least 400 are going to get scored, you'll need a bowler like Siraj will be the workhorse. But on a swinging wicket, probably you can try Arshdeep. But right now, Siraj is high on confidence. So I think Siraj also needs to continue. And Akashdeep, I hope he gets all the 5 test matches, the rest of the 3 test matches. So Bumrah, of course, is going to pick and choose. And that's again an issue for me. I'm not very, very comfortable when a player keeps picking and choosing test matches. He should play as many as he can. And then if he's unfit, then he doesn't play. But anyway, but Lord's test match, hopefully Bumrah will be back. He's probably the greatest bowler of the last 100 years. So I think he needs to play more test matches and maybe he can take rest later on. So I think that's where the issue is. I think Akashdeep has to play all test matches going forward. Rajiv.
Yeah, we'll come to Bumrah. Maybe Bumrah के बारे में बाद में एक पूरा we can have a discussion around Indian bowling and then maybe we can discuss Bumrah because I have some points on that one. But I think Akashdeep, one of the things which I wanted to tell is they made a mistake in not playing Akashdeep in Perth. They played Harshit Rana because there was this bounce which Morkel saw in the nets and played Harshit Rana. So he played Adelaide where he got injured. Yeah, Brisbane में Akashdeep came, but in Melbourne's second inning, Akashdeep could not bowl as well because there was an injury which happened. And that's why Prasidh Krishna played in Sydney and played far better than Akashdeep or got those top order wickets. So, there are some things which happen behind, and that is the reason why it is like that. But yes, I think Akashdeep, it was a lion-hearted performance by him. So great job, and all 3 of us wish him very, very good because he is the swing bowler India wants. Right. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining in. And Bhaskar, you can go back and go back to all the distractions which you have. Enjoy yourself in US. And Avijit, thank you for joining in. And good night, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
All right. Bye.